Hi everyone, in my previous class we have seen the simple present tense. So let me give you an idea about the present continuous tense. How do we use active voice, passive voice with present continuous tense? So here again I am writing an active voice sentence, subject, verb with the ing form and object and an auxiliary verb. So good. So I am telling you, I am TLLI and I am telling you. The rule will be the same again. The rule will be the more or less same, like this subject will become an object, object will become a subject, interchange the subject and object. Again there will be an auxiliary verb. Here we are going to use one more word called being. Then we use here V3. Then again we use by object. So how are we going to do this sentence? Let us see. I am telling you. You will become a subject. You again. So what is the auxiliary verb that we use for the in present tense, simple present tense? What is it? You are. You are being. So what is the V3? Tell. V3, what is it? Tell V3. Tell, told. You are being TOLD, told by. You are being told by I. In the previous class we have seen I will become me. That's all. So I am telling you, you are being told. So let me give you a few more examples. With the different subjects. So how do we go about it? She. Okay, when she comes here, again auxiliary verb is. She is telling you. Then you are being told by her. Very good. Okay. She, they. Okay. When they comes, when we use they, what is auxiliary verb here? Are. They are telling me. Me becomes again I. I am being told by them. I am being told by them. Okay. So Ram is killing Ravan. Ravan is being killed by Ravan is being killed by Ram. So here the subject should correspond with the auxiliary verb. If I comes as a subject, immediately in the present tense you should use am. You comes are, they are. Okay, suppose they are telling us. We are being told by them. Simple. So you are telling us. So you are telling us means, how do we change it? You are telling us. You are telling us. We are being told by you. We are being told by you. So that is the same syntax. We can use many sentences. This is how we use active voice, passive voice for the present continuous tense. Make more sentences. Once again, you watch the video that is in the present tense and the same present continuous tense, then you will get a more clarity. So until then, bye bye. I'll come up with the next class, present perfect tense. Bye.